your question, yes, we implemented this, I think you call it Salesforce automation system. Before we go there, the system implementation, we really looked deeply at our processes. And I think that is also key in connecting sales and marketing. I mean, I was in another meeting the other day where it says, hey, don't digitalize the chaos. Because, I mean, just putting in systems on chaotic processes, you're actually digitalizing the chaos. Don't do that. So what we did, we actually looked at our processes first, regardless of any systems. And the key point was we looked at the big sales picture, the big sales process, starting from the very marketing activities over what we call the sales processes, which is typically leads and opportunity management, which would include the quotation, and then going over to order intake. And that's really what we define as our overall sales process. And then what we did was we identified the key building blocks of all these different processes and how they interact with each other. And I think that is the key. The actual implementation of the CRM system, it helped with enabling the integration between marketing and sales, but building the foundation for that actually happened by looking at these processes first. Let me give